Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today where I'm doing post-repairs final tests on FP's Breckwell brand digital pellet stove controller. This one was sent to me for repairs because it had a number of issues. One of the issues manifested itself as a torn up faceplate, so the buttons were completely broken and the faceplate was beyond repair, so I replaced it. Also, the controller was having problems with the heater element systems. So after some troubleshooting, I replaced a number of parts on the controller itself. I also replaced the faceplate, and the controller is now ready for me to do final tests on it before I package it up and return it to its owner. As you can see, the controller is currently connected to my tester. My tester is made up of a faceplate, which has an actual auger motor mounted behind it. The shaft from the auger motor comes out the front, and I have a decal on it that will see spin whenever the controller calls for the auger to drive. You'll also hear the auger motor in the video. I have 4 light bulbs at the back. The first one simulates the igniter, the second one the combustion or blower, the third one the auger motor, and the fourth in red the convection or room fan. As a reminder, whenever we see the auger spin, we'll also see the auger light come on. So that's a double indication. All the connections to my tester are correct, and I'm ready to turn on the controller. I do that easily by pressing the on switch, and we see that one light in the heat level comes on at level 1, and we had 3 lights come on in the back. We heard the auger motor come on for a little bit. Whenever the auger motor drives, as a reminder, we'll see it here. We'll hear the motor, and you may be able to see the green LED come on as you do right now. So that's functional. Right now, being in heat position 1, I can adjust the low feed level. So as I press that, we'll cycle through 4, 3, off, 4, 3, off, 4, 3, off. That is best displayed when you're in level 1, but it also works in other levels, but you don't see the changing LEDs, only when you go back to level 1. The other thing I can do is I can press the fuel feed, and that'll cause the auger to drive. As I press and release, you see the light go on, we hear the motor spin, and we see the decal spin here. So that's working correctly as well. And the last thing I can do is turn on the fan, and we see the high fan came on, high speed fan. So the room fan is functional. I can turn that on and off. I can adjust my way through the feed levels. I can change the heat advance levels without any problems at all. I can make the auger drive without any problems, and I can turn it all off. So FP, there we are. Your controller is once again fully functional. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. It was a little bit of a bear to fix, but I got through it. Nice new faceplate on it, should give you years of trouble-free operation, and it's ready to be returned to you. I do want to thank you very much for sending it to me for repairs. I appreciate that. And for all you other viewers, if you have a Breckwell pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a digital model or an analog model, or another brand like the Quadfire or USSC or Accutron, and you need it serviced, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the video description just below this video. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy this video and you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.